What's up, everybody? Supreme Decisions here. And tonight, I was out going to the store, had to stop and get me my favorite chips, Munchies. But what was funny, I ran into a guy. He asked me, he said, "What you doing? What you do? How does the AI for the legal, the legal law stuff work for you or work against you? Do I use it?" And pretty much how I felt about it. Well, I thought that was actually interesting because I literally had a client that decided halfway through, I'm going to go with the AI. And I kind of laughed and said, go ahead. Now, the reason why I don't recommend it, it's a young man. Well, let me start with this. I'm actually going to put it up. If you get the legal software and or use ChatGPT or whatever the new thing is at this moment, the disclaimer it puts up is it's inaccurate. It's their disclaimer, not mine. And two, there's a young man, I believe his name is Charles Stark. If I didn't pronounce it correctly, he watches the videos. So I also want him to put the link of the video that I'm talking about in the description. In the comments. Because he and we sat down for a little bit, talked about his case, went over literally probably about 20 minutes, and kind of gave him a quick breakdown. He then went to the AI software. He did a video on it. What took him and I maybe 20 minutes to actually assess and go through, it took the software more than 3 hours just to assess, yeah, you got a case. The software didn't give him strategy, didn't tell him what motions to write, didn't tell him what verbiage needs to be in those motions, did not tell him when to file those motions, did not, basically, it can't be specific. It can't give you strategy. And the biggest part of any warfare, because that's what this is, that's why it's called an adversarial system, is playing the man, playing the other side, playing the prosecutor, understanding what they're going to do and how they're going to do it. Because when you have something in its newest form, there's a lot of bugs in it. You look at Apple, you look at Cadillac, you look at even Tesla. You look at any of these when they first come out or first released to the public, there's tons of bugs in it because it can't give you the human aspect of it. So, no, I don't get upset when someone else wants to use the software. That's beautiful because you should experience or experiment, whatever it is you want to use. But understand, you're going to miss out on something if you're looking for winning, because the software doesn't win, doesn't know how to. It doesn't even understand what the game it is. And that's why I give you the principles of chess, because again, I have a young friend and we're sitting down and I have a crystal chess set at my house. So while we're waiting on the stakes to be done, she starts to play with a friend. Well, in the midst of that game, I started laughing. I'm like, you have all the pieces to the game and you have no idea how to play it because you don't understand the utilization of each piece and how to get the most out of each move. That's why you come to me. The software can't give you that because it doesn't know what move to make unless you know what question to ask. And if you don't know what question to ask, it still may not give you the correct answer, even if everything you've done is correct. So, do I knock it? No, it doesn't affect me because I'm about winning. If you choose to win, you're going to choose me. If you choose not, good luck.